I remember I was on a plane coming back from New York, and I had gone there for some personal business, and I came back to school, and I was in class with my students for one day, and they were talking about coronavirus, and all of a sudden, just one day being back, we were announced that the kids were going to be out of school for 2 weeks, and we were going to figure out, and that was over a year and a half ago. And when they told us that you're going to be teaching from home, you're going to be distance learning, doing it over a camera, and I'm like, I'm a hands-on culinary arts teacher. What the hell am I going to do? I made a decision after I purchased these tripods. I had my district laptop, my iPad, my own personal iPhone, but I made a decision, and I knew that the only way I was going to have this culinary program survive this pandemic, COVID-19, is I had to make this like a cooking show every single class period. And that's exactly what I was determined to do. So I started doing the cooking segments with the kids, and because of lockdown, I was going to be doing them from here at the house for the rest of the school year. I started doing them, and something happened. Started having fun. I even started doing cooking segments in the afternoon for the staff members at Fairfield High and the adult school where I teach. And they were enjoying it. And I seemed to remember a long time ago that before I wanted to become a chef, I actually wanted to make videos, to make movies. And something in my head just clicked. Fall 2020, and I remember it was the day before the first day of virtual school, and the head of my department, Mr. Swetland, comes into my room or my kitchen, and he looks around and he's like, Tom, you ready for class? And it's like, yeah, I think I'm gonna be okay. And he goes, let me see what you got going on here. And he looks at the back, he sees the ring light and the 2 tripods and the iPad set up and the iPhone set up, and he looks around and he's got a big smile on his face. He's like, you got this dialed in. And from there, things just started clicking again. So after doing all these cooking segments at work and sharing them with my colleagues, and they all loved them, I thought to myself, well, what if I polished this up? What if I did something so everybody could enjoy it? Not just my colleagues, not just my students, something for everybody. And then Watch Me Cook was born. So now you know. Now you know how Watch Me Cook began. But even before that, Watch Me has always been my mantra. And I want that to be your mantra too. When somebody says you can't do something, you say, watch me. When somebody says, oh, you can't excel at that, say, watch me. Watch me grow. Watch me empower myself. Watch me prove you wrong. I thank you guys for watching our Season 2 preview of Watch Me Cook, and I hope to see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to you watching our season premiere, Watch Me Cook for Father's Day. See ya.